Textures can make a big difference when creating a quick model. UMake includes nearly 250 free textures for you to use in your projects. To access textures in UMake, open up the side panel, and then open up the Photos panel. Tapping on Textures will open up a panel with multiple categories. Tapping on a category will open up a library of relevant texture images. Tap on a texture you want to use to download it. Next, drag the texture onto the surface where you want to use it. Once placed on a surface, you will notice image editing tools in the side menu to give you more control on the size and orientation of the texture on a specific surface. When you are done editing a placed texture, tap on the green check mark. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the various textures included in UMake and try adding some to your next model.